and gentlemen, our show tonight is regarding space. Now, there was a writer, this is There was a writer on our site named Jules KD, and she said that, we mostly like to say that we're made of water, but in every molecule of water, what's in between those two hydrogen atoms and oxygen atom? Thank you. In every molecule of water, H2O, what's in between those two hydrogen atoms, that oxygen atom, is mostly empty space, right? So, human beings, and in fact, really, everything else, mostly make space. Now, these are like tiny atoms floating in space. And sort of like up there, you got a lot of your stuff in the video about up there, outer space. We're doing one about space travel and how normal that's going to be soon. And what is that going to be like? We can see our home from a distance. I think we might really change the way we see the world. What's next? Anybody on board? Might really change the way that we see the world. This is the first one, ladies and gentlemen.
We've got 7 billion people. Earth's getting crowded.
Come on! We got 7 billion people here. Earth is getting crowded. Which brings us personal space, living space, mental space, negative space, high space. Anybody hear about MySpace? There was another writer on the site, S. Smith, who said, I don't want my space to be the internet page. Which I thought was I want you guys to talk a bit about space. I'm going to play you now a sort of work in progress video of some contributions that we've been getting in collaboration regarding space. Get your juices flowing. I want you to write something on Twitter, #Masonic Lodge, and we'll bring up some of you and have a conversation about space. Alright, watch this.